Hey everybody, so today I have a portable bed frame, and this one is a twin size. Now this would be great for if you're looking for something that's really simple, or you're just looking for something that you can have around for like when you have guests. It's super easy, you don't even have to put anything together. All you gotta do is unfold it, pop out the legs, and that's it. And this one also has the center legs for support as well. The frame does work great though. It's very stable, very sturdy. It will hold up to 750 pounds for the twin size. And the queen, I want to say is like 1,500. I can't remember the numbers for sure on that one. But they do hold a lot of weight. You're not going to have to worry about that. And I highly doubt you are going to put anywhere near that amount of weight on this frame. Anyway, if you're looking for a bed frame that's super easy to put up, only takes a few seconds. Also only takes a few seconds to put it back together as well. There's a couple little knobs. You just push those in and press it down. You're good. So in less than 30 seconds, you can have this one set up or broken down. But anyway, solid bed frame. If you are interested, I will put a link down below. They do have other sizes as well.